Are you ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Today's frontline workers need digital tools. Parsable's Connected Worker platform delivers digitized SOPs, checklists, and workflows that connect workers to the people, information, and systems they need to get the job done right safely. Let's take a look. While performing a standard CIL, an operator sees a loose bearing on the packing line conveyor. Using Parsable's mobile app, the operator alerts the supervisor and raises a tag for the maintenance planner, who uses Parsable to acknowledge the tag and initiate the repair. The supervisor reviews and approves the fix. The technician completes it and conducts the risk assessment, work that can take place on-site or remotely. Problem solved. Simultaneously, dashboards provide powerful insights to work, locally and on a global scale. No more pen and paper, modern digital tools, continuous improvement. Parsable, your frontline digital journey starts here.